Hi everybody, today we're reviewing Five Freddy's, the Freddy Files. First, I want to show you my Foxy's collection, because we added a new member to it. We added Funtime Foxy. Yep, Foxy with the tail. I was calling it for a while, because unlike the other ones, no tail. So I got Funtime Foxy. I got Foxy, I think that's either from Five Nights at Freddy's 2 or Five Nights at Freddy's 4. I think it's from Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Because it looks like, because it has the torn up nose. And I remember in the fourth one that both his eyes were out. So I think it's like the only time where he has both his eyes out. The patch is right here. But I just call it Torn Up Foxy. And here's Mangled. Yeah, these three I got at the same spot. Got them all at GameStop. Now I know there's a regular Foxy just like this at GameStop, but since this one's bigger, I got this one on Amazon. Decided not to get the one at GameStop because it's basically the same thing but smaller than this one. So I don't know, but I do probably I will get it one day. But this is regular Foxy. This is the one that started my collection when I decided to start collecting toys from stuff I like. So I also got this. And it has Foxy right here. I also got this at GameStop. So let's start with this. I'm already done with that. Let's start with this. Then maybe I'll show you another book I got recently that I will review once I'm done reading it. So this shows you like a bunch of strategies and stuff like that, how to beat all the characters from each book, from each game. Like right, because here's the map for the first one, and then like tells you who's gonna be at which. Like in the dinner area, it says Foxy, Chica appear here. Freddy can't be in the shadows. It's like on AB. That's AB, which is right here where my finger is at. So that's the example of that one. You seem to tell me where you are at. See right here? You are here. And right here it tells you the strategies, and I'll read you the one as to Freddy. Movements, shows, stage, dinner area, restrooms, kitchen, each hall, hall corner, and office. So he has to show up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rooms before he gets to you. Now Foxy, he has to show up in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 before he goes to you. But he goes a different route, so most likely. So he goes to dinner area, backstage, West Hall, supply closet, and West Hall corner. Now, see, I know Foxy goes for this door. Bonnie goes for this door, and Chica goes for this door. Freddy goes for either one. Foxy has to come for this door. I don't have the other ones as toys, because I like Foxy more. Chica. Solo stage. Dinner hall. Kitchen. Restroom. East hall. East corner hall. Is she the only one that goes to the kitchen? Well, yeah. Freddy goes to the kitchen too. I don't think you can hear Freddy though in the kitchen. Now Foxy, he takes the shortest route. Foxy's smart. Everybody else takes like the long route. Pirates Cove, West Hall, West Corner Hall, the office. So he explains it's me part. I'm gonna like read that part to you, then gonna show you the new book. Because I bet a lot of people are like wondering about this part. It's Freddys recovers and hallucinations throughout the game, and on the Pirates Cove site, the West Hall wall, when Golden Freddy appears, it in the game flashes, and as one night when you refuse your paycheck, you learn the name Mike. Mike. Several theories have popped up connecting to the phrase to Mike. So the children's chanting to Mike. Mike has connection to the children. Maybe he's a parent, a sibling, possessing a security guard grant across the Fridays of Freddy's order about the recovery, and the children's saying to get through Mike and possessing the animatronics. Mike is the killer, or otherwise compares the death of the children. He's hallucinating this phrase because he's guilty in mind, showing it that he's the killer. Maybe it's a little far-fetched, but the answer is why the animatronics are so desperate to kill Mike. Phone guy Exoskeleton explains that the animatronics don't see line up even if the game after all. Bonnie rotates, enters the backstage, and sees a costume-less skeleton, and Resident Evil never tries to stuff it inside a costume. And yet that's what they think that we are. Maybe this is right. Maybe they think Mike is the killer. After all, the guy in Sister Act's location that we play is also named as Mike. And everybody think that this is the same guy? Huh? With a different last name? That's going to return, huh? They said never caught the guy. So I get this one. So it also sells us some stuff from the books too, like Charlie and John and Jessica. And Officer Clay, give it 8 out of 10. Hey Sully, what do you think of Funtime Foxy?
I'm not sure about him yet. I like the book. I give it over pause.
Be right back. When I finish this one, which is Tigerheart's Shadow, I'll review it. I'll read you guys the summary so you guys have an idea what it's about. The story is free of the forest is free of the cruel rogue, Dark Tail, and his followers. But Shadow Plants has been nearly torn apart, and it remaining warriors no longer trust Roland Star's leadership. Tigerheart's Shadow Clan deputy is determined to help rebuild his clan, but he fears his effects only divides them further. A few rare light stone moments he spends with ThunderClan warrior Dubwing, but the crossroad appears of both them. When ShadowClan Medicine Cat has a vision suggesting that ThunderClan instead save his clan by being the cause of its downfall. Is ShadowClan deputy faced with an impossible decision? He must do for his clan, or even means leaving them behind forever. So, I really hope this is not just them telling the story about him and Dubwing running off together. I really hope it's not that, because that makes him not worthy to have a super edition. But okay, I'll give it a chance. We'll find out when I'm done reading it. So, bye guys. I'm gonna read you guys the last. I know you guys. So I'm gonna read this again. There's one more. What's next for Find Its Freddys? There's at least one more novel in the series for coming, and there are sure more games. One thing is for certain. The next Freddys will fill you with nightmares. Sweet dreams. Bye, guys. Can't wait to see you in your nightmares. Bye.